Welcome to the Creation of Joy. My name is Nir Peretz. I am at the Segara Temple. This is a very fitting place because it's one of the places that represent the peak of our civilization. Today I would like to talk about something that some people call the glitch in the matrix. What it is a very simple thing, that it's just a mistake in our civilization. And the example that I want to bring today is our perception of some things and where we sometimes go wrong. So at the early days of humanity, the different species of humans used to be hunters and gatherers. It means that we used to be in small groups, in little tribes, and travel around or stay in one place, and the humans used to gather things and hunt things. When our civilization started to developing is when humanity started farming, and our civilization is built on a system that now people are no longer hunter and gatherers, but they are specialists. What does it mean? That each person is highly specialized in one field, and altogether we create a whole society that as a group can produce very special civilization. Where are we going wrong is that we have a lot of talented peoples, and the people that are thriving in their own fields are doing very well. So for example, we have artists and we have politicians and we have ideologues and many different and sport people and many different specialties, and we have really reached a lot because people all the time improve what they are able to do and create. People that have a talent and are fortunate and lucky to live their talent and turn it into a profession, they desire it and they're successful and they enjoy it very well, they thrive. The mistake starts happening when we take an individual that's highly specialized in one thing and expecting them to be as good as what they do in one field in something else. And this is the glitch. So for example, we see celebrities and film actors who are truly gifted, and then we rely on their opinions, on their political opinions, and then we are distorting our options and our possibilities. It does not mean that these people are not entitled to their personal opinion. They absolutely are, and each one is different, and they are fully entitled like everybody. But we should not regard them more than anybody else because they are talented in acting. In fact, quite often when somebody is very good in one specific field, they quite often lacking in other fields because all their attention and their talent is in this specific field. So, for example, the problem with politics today, that we take politicians who are career politicians, after they finish their academic studies, they went straight into politics and they been very good and managed to get to the top and strive and get into powerful position, but they never experience management of ministries, countries, and departments. And we expect too much from them. They are actually talented people. They are successful in politics, but they are not particularly talented necessarily. Some are, but not all of them talented in managing their position. So quite often we see a lot of mistakes done. Same go for the media, same go for academics. Sometimes we have professors who are highly experienced and excellent in their specific field. They are very good in their field of knowledge. They are very good in teaching. But then because they have a lot of passion and sometimes perhaps frustration, they are in a position to take over our young generation and marginalize them. Because of course students are very passionate. They have a lot of a lot of emotions, a lot of hormones, a lot of time, and very little experience. And they are not suspicious, and they can be in a position when they are easily marginalized. And I will go more in depth and more into example of that in future chapters once we finally start talking about the ideology of the creation of joy. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much for joining me, and see you at the next episode.